To change theme on the Redmi Note 14S, all you simply have to do is first go for the settings. From here you'll have to scroll down and then go for the themes, and right here you can find a lot of different themes, and most of them are free. You don't have to pay for them, so yeah, there's like a lot of them, and you can search for the themes in this like text box right here. You can search for some themes, you can go for the categories and find some different categories, and yeah, after you simply found the theme that you like, let's select for example this one, you simply have to select your theme and then press this download button, and you can download as many themes as you like, and after that you'll be able to find all of your downloaded themes in my account and here in the themes. And here are all of these local themes, the two themes that come by default on your phone and the one that you have downloaded. And after that simply select any theme that you like and press this apply button. And additionally, let me just quickly tell you, I forgot about that you can also press this customize button and you can customize which part of the theme you'd like to apply on your phone. So like for example, you can only apply the home screen, lock screen and system, all of this stuff, but like leave icons for the different theme, like for example. So yeah, that's basically how you can change theme on the Redmi Note 14S.